A trip to the desert can be one of the greatest adventures you will take as an off-roader. Before you decide to go off-roading, make sure you check your vehicle, ensure you're using the perfect engine oil for your SUV. I always use Castrol magnetic SUV oil. Mark your entry and exit points before you start your trip. Start monitoring the weather factors. Deflate your tires a bit to have even weight distribution and increase tire traction as you enter the desert. It is hard to drive in the hot and humid weather of the desert, and when the engines are in good hands from a brand like Castrol Magnetic, it is a big reassurance.
Castrol Magnetic SUV. Its intelligent molecules cling to critical engine parts, providing an extra layer of protection against the challenges of modern driving, dramatically reducing warm-up wear and heavy load wear protection. Castrol Magnetic SUV, non-stop SUV protection from every start.